Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to add the phone number to your LinkedIn account. To do this, you have just to go to LinkedIn. Open it. After that, go and click on your picture on the top left of the screen. Click on Settings. And after that, go to Account Preferences. Go to the first option, name, location, and industry. And you will find all of your informations here. So you can go to edit contact info. And as you can see, you can add your phone number here and put if it's a mobile phone number or just like another like home or work phone number, and you have to save it. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.